Let's have some fun with balloons. First, I'm going to pop it with a pin. Let's check that out in slow motion. This time I'm just going to overinflate it. That thing just shredded. Even on high speed, it's gone pretty fast. Pieces are still falling though. Let's do another one of those overinflated ones. Now that time I filmed at a higher frame rate. That was almost 3,000 frames per second. So was this one. Plus I put some stills in there. Did you see the way it shredded? That's the way that they break when they're overinflated. Let's try popping the balloon with a laser. Looked about like a pin pop. Here goes a water balloon. It's a lot better in slow motion. Look at it squirt out at me. Wait a minute, where'd that water come from? I'm gonna do another one. Now you see where the water came from. I was trying to catch it all in a bucket so it didn't make a mess. That didn't work out so good. Well, it's just water. How about a hydrogen balloon with a candle? That's the way to pop a balloon. In slow motion. Awesome. All right, time for some fun with liquid nitrogen. You take a soft, squishy, bouncy ball, put it in liquid nitrogen at 77 degrees Kelvin, that's more than 300 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, this ball will become very brittle. Now, if I only had something hard and sharp, like this 2-inch bolt that I machined to a point, if I was to drop it on there, it could be exciting. Let's see. That's pretty exciting. Slow motion. Wow. Love seeing the pieces spinning around like that. Next up's a small head of lettuce. Not much left of that. In slow motion. Just shattered. What a mess. How about a carnation? Broke pretty good. Liquid nitrogen temperature. In slow motion. I like that a lot. How about one more bouncy ball? Lycopodium powder. This is the spores of club moss. It's not flammable unless it's aerosolized and has a spark. Yeah, it's flammable then. Let's look at the slow motion. Wow. Ping pong ball cannon. All right, we've got a tube and a vacuum pump taking all the air out of it so that there's nothing to slow down the ping pong ball. It appears the mylar that seals the ends, the ping pong ball is going to hit those cups. You can't see them very good because of the light we needed for that high-speed camera. Pretty good. Let's see that one in slow motion. Ball went right through that with no problem. All right, now let's try pop cans. Oh, right through all three of them. This is Morgan Hawks. He's helped a lot with filming this demo show. Supersonic ping pong ball cannon. This time we're going to get the ball going faster than the speed of sound. See the pressurized tank on the end? 3, 2, 1. Whoa, right through the paddle. You see that? That was a big chunk of the ball that went through the hole again. There's a lot of air coming out of that tank. It's pressurized to 115 psi. Takes a long time for everything to get down to the bottom of the box. But then it was framed at almost 3,600 frames per second. Here's that ping pong paddle. Ball went right through it, no problem. Here's the plug out of the middle. And if you look at this, that's the biggest chunk of the ball that I could find. Remember, that's the one that went through that hole twice. Speed of sound is about 343 meters per second. How fast was that ball going? Well, it was going 414 meters per second. That's 926 miles per hour. Thanks for watching our demo show. Hey, let's do this again next year, the same day, Friday before Thanksgiving. See you then.